So here's an application involving rational equations, rational expressions. We're being asked to find the how fast this water current is going, the river current is, given the information. And one of the things that, or one of the formulas that should come to mind when we're solving these types of problems is the formula rate times time is equal to distance. Well, if you read the problem, we're led to understand that the time going upstream is equal to the time going downstream. Well, how can we represent time? Well, if we use the formula, rate times time is equal to distance, and if we divide both sides of the equation by r, we see that time is equal to distance divided by rate. In other words, if I know how far you traveled and I know how fast you traveled, if I take those two values and divide them, that will tell me how long you traveled. Well, we have the time it takes to go downstream, and we have the time that it takes to go upstream. Remember, we're not going to use t, we're going to use d over r, which is another way to represent t. Well, how far is it to go downstream in this problem? They tell us it's 21 miles. How fast are you going? Well, you're going as fast as the boat can travel, and the boat travels 5 miles an hour. Plus, since you're going downstream, you need to add to that the speed of the current. And we don't know what that is. That's what we're being asked to find. So we'll just call it r. So this expression represents how much time it takes to go downstream, and we know that that's going to be equal to 9 miles going upstream. Well, how fast does the boat go? The boat travels 5 miles an hour, but we're working against the current. So the current, we're going to be subtracting that from 5. That's going to be, we're going to be going, whatever the speed of the current is, we're going to be going that many miles less because we're going upstream. Well, now we have an equation involving rational expressions, and in this case, we can just go ahead and just cross multiply. 9 times the quantity 5 plus r is equal to 21 times the quantity 5 minus r. And if we go through and distribute and combine like terms, so get my r variable on one side of the equation, get my constants on the other side of the equation, divide both sides by 30, I get r is equal to 2. In other words, r, the rate of the current, the speed of the current, is 2 miles an hour.